Hey everyone, this is James, and today I'm going to teach you how to color Thanos from the Marvel Comics. I'm going to scrub through my drawing process since we're focused on the coloring part of this tutorial, and if you want to follow along, I'll leave a link in the description for you to print out the line work and color yourself. For this tutorial, I recommend you use the colors yellow, orange, red, blue, purple, pink, and green. If you have any darker or lighter versions of those colors, feel free to use them as well for shadows and highlights. Now that we have the character fully drawn out, we're going to add some base colors. Base colors is essentially the first colors that you lay down on a piece of artwork before adding even more colors for shadows and highlights. In this case, color it in just like we would a coloring book. So we'll add blue, yellow, purple, pink, and there's a little bit of white for his eyes and teeth. And the rest of the colors will be added for the Infinity Stones on the gauntlet on his left hand. The next step is to add shadows. You want to think about where your light source is when coloring. In this case, I'll say it's on the right side of Thanos. This will cause shadows on the left side of his body, leaving mostly the right edges of his body exposed to light. If you have any colors that are darker shades of the colors you've already used, feel free to use those. And if you don't, use a regular pencil or black color pencil to fill these areas in. Just be sure to go over lightly. You don't want the artwork to get smudged. Once you've gotten all the shadows in place, we can add highlights. You can use any color for a highlight, but for me, I like to use lighter shades of the colors I've already used. I'll place these highlights on the edges of the character. This creates what is called a rim light. A rim light is used to describe the highlights that outline a figure. This gives the artwork much more contrast and helps add depth. After all the highlights have been added, I still feel something is missing from this. Can anyone guess? This one's pretty tough, so I'll say it. Our piece is missing some core shadows. A core shadow is the darkest part of a shadow. It's the area in which light doesn't or can't illuminate a surface of an object, causing the shadow to be the darkest. These shadows add a lot more depth and contrast to our simple and flat 2D drawing. Now we'll take what we learned and add a base color to the rock Thanos is standing on. Then we'll add some highlights and shadows to top it off. The last thing I did was add a lightning bolt behind Thanos, color the whole background black, and added some white stars everywhere. Get creative with this part. There's no wrong way to go about coloring space. Okay, and there you have it. The tutorial for how to color Thanos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on post notifications, and follow us on our social media for more content. Until next time, keep drawing.